Food, health, and fitness myths. Food myth. Too much of any fruit rots your teeth. This myth is true because fruits are filled with acid that makes your teeth more vulnerable to get rid of germs and bacteria. Fitness myth. Sit-ups are the best exercise to flatten your stomach. This myth isn't true because deep below the abs, there is a thick strap of muscle that goes around your waist which is responsible for flattening your stomach. Health myth. Organic food is pesticide-free and more nutritious. As though organic food may sound healthier, it is not necessarily better for you, because farmers who grow the food are permitted to use chemicals that can also be harmful to the environment. And according to 98,722 reviews, eating organic food doesn't really cause any nutritional benefit to your body.